Join me as I dive into the fascinating story of Michal, daughter of King Saul and wife of King David, and see if I can unravel what really happened to her. Michal's story is a captivating blend of royalty, love, and turmoil. As the daughter of King Saul, she was a princess by birth, but her marriage to David, who would later become king of Israel, elevated her to a queen. This unique position set the stage for a complex relationship with both her father and her husband, one that would be filled with challenges and heartache. Michal faced incredible challenges throughout her life, not least of which was her tumultuous marriage to David. Her father, Saul, was deeply jealous of David and saw him as a threat to his kingdom, which made Michal's marriage to David a source of significant tension. Her loyalty was torn between her husband, whom she loved, and her father, who was rapidly descending into madness. The strain of living in a royal household, where politics and personal relationships were deeply intertwined, took a heavy toll on Michal. Michal's love for David was genuine, and she played a crucial role in helping him escape from Saul's wrath on more than one occasion. One notable instance was when she helped David escape through a window, allowing him to flee for his life. Despite her loyalty to David, Michal struggled with the implications of her marriage and the shifting dynamics within her family. Her story is a testament to the difficult choices women in power often faced, caught between duty, love, and loyalty. The pivotal moment in Michal's story came when she confronted David during his return to Jerusalem. After David's victory over the Philistines and his establishment as king, he decided to bring the Ark of the Covenant too. This confrontation showcased her emotional turmoil and highlighted the deep-seated issues in their relationship. David's response, that he would celebrate before God and not before her or her father's image, underscored the religious and political motivations behind his actions. Michal's legacy is one of love, loyalty, and the struggles of women in power. Her story, though often overshadowed by the more prominent figures of her time, offers a compelling insight into the complexities of royal life in ancient Israel. It reminds us that even in the most powerful of households, personal relationships and the quest for identity can be incredibly challenging. What do you think about Michal's choices? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other videos on biblical figures for more deep dives into history.